Hello, I'm Aron with the City of Danville, their multimedia manager. Our relationship with ClarkPowell dates back about 9 years now. We've worked closely with them installing all of our audiovisual needs here in City Hall, from video cameras to all the microphones in council chambers and to our conference rooms. They've done a wonderful job for the City of Danville over those years. One thing we value, especially with ClarkPowell, is the customer service. We know with any of the technicians, salespeople, they're just one phone call away and are able to answer all of our questions at a moment's notice. And when we are working with local government officials and people in the community and our citizens, we need that customer service with those that are installing our audiovisual needs, and they have done that since day one. We look forward to continuing our relationship with ClarkPowell in the future and appreciate everything they have done for us so far.